Hello again everybody. This is my performance and tutorial of Teleporting Queens by Miss Mag 822. And first, let me show you how it's done. So, I will show you I have 4 queens here. It's all red. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a 4 here. There's all red. So I will place it on the top of the deck. And I will make 4 piles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will place one. I will get 10 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every card I will place 3 every piles. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one 1, 2, and this 3. So I'm showing I have a 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. So I've placed it in the top. So I will absorb other queens here. So, and there it is. One queen is gone. One queen is gone. So I will place it on the top of the deck. And there's another. I have a queen here. One. Watch. Look. And I will place that card here. I will find the missing queen. I will shuffle it. I will place it in the top of the deck. And I will show you that one queen is here, one here, one here, and another on that, and there this is. And so now I will make 4 files. Here's the 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a 10. I will make another. So I will place a packet every pile. A package. So package 1, 2, package 2, package 3, and package 4. So I will make that 4 piles as one. And now watch. And there it is. And now, and there it is. So this is a really cool trick. So let me show you the tutorial. So this is a tutorial. You only need to do, you need 4 queens and a 1 random card. There's the bicycle playing cards. It's not. It's G. In my last video. And so now you need only to do red, red, and black, black. And the random card in this last black and the queen of clubs. I will place it like that. So you say you have 4 queens and make it reverse. And you need, if you reverse it, you need to catch a prey before you cut that. Catch a prey. Say you have 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So flip him over, place it at the top of the deck, and make 3 piles. 1, 2, 3. And there it is. Place it aside, and say you're getting 10 for these 3. Your first 3 is like that, and 1 to 6, and to 10 is push them, yeah, like that. So place it aside, make a 3 every pile. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you said 1, 2, 3. In fact, there is 4 here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Place it here. And 1 little snap. And you absorb here. And spectator choose. Look that pile. The queen is gone. And place it at the top of the deck. And 1 little snap. Flip them over. And get 1. Place it at the bottom. And get this. And push the 3 cards. So 1 and 2 and little snap. Get that here. Place it. Show them. And place it again here. And flip them cards over. You control that queen of clubs in the top. So like that. And the queen of clubs is here. Place it at the top. And 1 little snap. Flip them over. And get that 1, place it at the bottom. And get this 3, place it at the bottom. And get that queen. And get, and like that. So you say you're making 4 piles. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're getting you say you get in a package every pile. So your hand form like that, and get a 1 piece. 1, 2, 3. Tap it and get this 3 in 1 and 4. So you say making that 4 piles as 1. You need this pile on the top of the deck. Yet. So now 1 little snap and say watch. 1 sharp. It's not that. So this is a really cool trick. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe. That's it all. See you next time.